Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add motion blur in CapCut. So select a lot of pictures. I'm going to be adding a lot of these Jihan pictures, and I am going to then select add. Make sure your format is all the same, so I'm just going to go to format and I'm going to choose one by one, and I am going to zoom in and just make sure that they're all the same size. Once you're done, you're going to make your pictures as short as it can go. But if you don't want the motion blur to be fast, I suggest you going down to about 0.5 seconds for each of the photos. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Once it's down to around 8 seconds, you can just export that first. A video and press add, and you're just going to select your video and you're going to then add motion blur. I'm going to have the blur around here and the blend around here. Press the check mark button and wait for it to apply to your video. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Also, if this wasn't enough, like the blur, you can adjust it yourself, of course. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button down below above the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.